In the next 3 years, AI will create more millionaires than the internet did in 20 years. But here's the shocking truth. Most people will watch the AI revolution. Only a few will build businesses with it. And today, I'll show you 5 AI businesses beginners can start in 2026. No coding, low investment, high income potential. Stay till the end, because business number 5 might become the next digital gold rush. Right now, AI is not just a trend. Companies have invested hundreds of billions into AI startups. And experts believe early movers will capture the biggest opportunities before markets become crowded. Translation? This is the best time in history to start a business with just a laptop. You don't need employees, you don't need an office. AI becomes your designer, marketer, developer, sales team. Let's start. Business number 1. AI content agency. Every business needs content, but most businesses don't know how to create it consistently. That's where you come in. What you do? Use AI tools to create social media posts, blog articles, YouTube scripts, ad copy, email newsletters. Thousands of entrepreneurs are already earning monthly income by offering AI content services to businesses that want online growth. Beginner strategy. Pick one niche: real estate, coaching, startups. Use AI tools for writing plus design. Charge 20,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees per client monthly. Just 5 clients equals full-time income. Business number 2, AI automation agency. Businesses waste hundreds of hours doing repetitive tasks. AI automation fixes that. You help companies automate. Customer replies, lead generation, appointment, booking data. Entry, reporting. AI automation agencies are becoming one of the fastest growing opportunities because companies want efficiency without hiring more staff. Why this is powerful? You don't sell software. You sell time saved, and businesses happily pay for that. Business number 3, Faceless AI YouTube channel. This one changed the game. You don't need camera, studio, editing skills. AI now creates scripts, voiceovers, videos, thumbnails. Many creators run multiple faceless channels, generating passive income from ads and affiliates. Example niches: finance, motivation, AI news, education, business stories. Post consistently, scale multiple channels. Let AI do the work. Business number 4, GPT Wrapper /AI tool business. This is where beginners become founders. Instead of building you specialize it. A GPT Wrapper means take existing AI and make it expert for one industry. Examples: AI resume builder, AI legal assistant, AI marketing planner, AI fitness coach. Specialized AI products are exploding because businesses want solutions, not complicated technology. And the best part? You can build MVP tools without heavy coding. Business number 5, AI SaaS or digital product, biggest opportunity. This is the most powerful model. Create once, sell forever. Examples: AI prompt libraries, templates, chatbots, mini AI tools. AI learning courses, AI SaaS builders, and digital AI services are becoming scalable income streams with minimal operating costs. This is how small creators become founders, and founders become millionaires. Listen carefully. AI will not replace business owners, but business owners using AI will replace those who don't. The winners of 2026 will not be the smartest, the richest, the most experienced. They will be the fastest learners. Here's what I want you to do today. 1. Pick one AI business. 2. Learn one tool. 3. Get one client or create one product. That's how momentum starts. If you want AI business ideas, future career strategies, weekly AI income system, hit subscribe right now, because the AI economy is just getting started. Comment below, which AI business are you starting in 2026? And I'll see you in the next video.